Hello, hello. Happy June 15th, 2023. Greetings from the Northern Hemisphere. This is Danny Zen coming to you live. I'm the author of an upcoming mind or brain span book titled How to Die of Nothing, and also the founder of a future virtual Zen school of preventative, lifestyle, and upstream or root cause medicine. In this fast-paced video, I'm going to be sharing with you something that is pretty game-changing and disruptive to the disinfectant cleaning industry, okay? I just got this in the mail. It's a starter pack of 4 of the same bottles of multi-use cleaner and disinfectant by a company called the Hypochlorous Company. Okay, my friend Laurie OR LGagan, who I'm business partners with another business, she met the founder, Kelton Cole, at a Better Living event in Utah. Okay, they've got 4 warehouses throughout the U.S. The reason why you want to block out all distractions and invest the next 15 minutes or so is because you're going to learn about how to improve air quality. You're going to protect your family, your pets, and your kids with the world's, as far as I know, the world's first and only safe, meaning no mask or gloves required or other personal protection equipment, PPE. It's non-toxic. It's natural, made with just water, salt, vinegar, and electricity. And it's actually EPA, that's Environmental Protection Agency, registered in the U.S., okay, with an unconditional issuance. Let me show you this. This is really, really game-changing, okay? It's not officially like full-blown multi-level network marketing, but it is a multi-tiered, a free affiliate program currently. You don't have to pay anything. You just need to select a starter enrollment kit once you join my Hypochlorous Company team. Let me show you the EPA registration here with the unconditional issuance. It's pretty amazing here. Okay, let's check this out. You've got the EPA registration. That is the number. Okay, it was issued last July. And term of issuance unconditional. Check that out, okay? The official company's name is Sani-TEST LLC, and they're doing business as the Hypochlorous Company, okay? This is really, really game-changing because, by the way, June is Alzheimer's and Brain Awareness Month, and obviously air quality, indoor air quality has an effect on our brain. For those that don't know me, I am a mercury poisoning survivor from my 4 dental amalgam fillings, and also a multiple traumatic brain injury survivor from half a dozen sporting concussions and falls, okay? So that's the EPA registration. There's 2 other pages I didn't show here, but also it's USDA Certified Organic. Let me show you the organic registration here, okay? Here we go. This is by the Oregon TIF certificate, I don't even know what it is, but you can see here, okay, Certified Organic by Oregon TIF. And that's the regulations part, okay? So this is amazing. It's game-changing. It's a weak acid. This is going to be a shallow dive, by the way. I'm not an expert. I literally just learned about this a few days ago. I just got this in the mail today, UPS, from their Telford, Pennsylvania warehouse. It's about 35 miles outside of Philadelphia, okay? I've already sprayed this on my kitchen. It's got so many uses. Okay, the reason it's just hitting the market now is because they were able to get the cost down with their patented manufacturing process and something else I didn't even understand. But anyways, that's the certification for being organic, okay? So this is all, let me just cut to the chase here. What you want to know, here's the value proposition. This is pretty mind-blowing, okay? So you've got, it's 120 times safer than straight bleach, okay? It kills almost 100% of broad spectrum of both gram-negative and gram-positive bacteria, including MRSA and viruses, including the human coronavirus and all variants of the human coronavirus, okay? SARS-CoV-2, and let's see here. It's, like I said, you don't need to wear any masks, so you can even breathe it in, not be worried about it. You can dump it on your plants, throw it down your kid's throat even. It's got skin uses to fight infections. By the way, it's got a very long history. It's called hypochloric acid. Okay, it's a weak acid. from what I know so far. Let me just read you the history. So it actually started out back in World War I to help the soldiers fight infections that got injured during battle. Okay, and you can Google it. Hypochlorous is spelled Hypochlorous. Okay, there are some competitors, and like such as Force of Nature is probably the big one. Okay. But anyways, let me see here my notes about this. So basically, it's the, let's see here. It is registered to be broad spectrum, hospital-grade disinfectant, bactericide and viricide, kill viruses, even salmonella, E. coli. It's a deodorizer. Fungicide can also kill mold and mildew. Great for housekeepers. Okay, hotels, just virtually every industry can benefit from knowing about this. Okay. If you guys want to get this, my affiliate link, I'll just tell you if you guys just really curious and want to get this right away, okay? By the way, it's called hypochlorous acid. The chemical name is HOCl. It's got a weak chlorine smell, but not too bad. I opened it and I already sprayed it, so it's got a tiny weak smell of chlorine. So it's HOCl is the chemical name, okay? It's actually the chemical that our own white blood cells produce to fight infection. So this thing is something that we actually make internally on our own, okay? And let's see here, what else? So there's a French scientist by this guy's name, was the first person to synthesize hypochlorous, and he did that back in 1834. And so it used to be very unstable, but now the Hypochlorous Company and others have figured out a way to stabilize it. Supposedly it can last up to 18 months, possibly 2 years, okay, if it's stored properly. And so, yeah, that's the secret, is it's more stable now, okay? So it lasts for more than 18 months. And this is a revolution in the eco-friendly disinfectant cleaning industry, okay? It's a game changer. So it's a weak acid and a rapid disinfectant, okay? Let me see here, what else? So yeah, it's just as effective as Windex, you know, Formula 409 on grease, scrubbing bubbles on soap scum, Febreze for odors, and Resolve on rugs for far safer. It's great for those that have allergies because it's 100% free from all allergies, and even rated as best for sensitive skin. This is really a game changer, okay? I've never thought I'd be so excited about disinfectant cleaning chemicals. But anyways, let me show you something else here. Okay, so this is the side-by-side comparison for so it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Okay, so let me show you this. Okay, here's the chart. We've got hypochlorous there, and compared to bleach derivatives, alcohol-based, and quantum chlorides. Those are some really nasty stuff you don't want to use, okay? It cause some health conditions. So you got non-toxic, non-hazardous, neutral pH, non-flammable, natural and organic, safe for elderly and children, approved for food contact for those in the food service industry, safe for skin, eyes, and lungs, no personal protection equipment required, no discoloration of wooden fabrics, clothing, stone, or plastics, no chemical buildup or residue. It's environment pollution-free disposal, okay? If you guys want to watch some videos, go to my personal YouTube channel. It's going to be youtube.com/Danny Zen and then the number 2, okay? That's youtube.com/DANNY, Z is in zebra, E echo, N November, and then the number 2. I just uploaded a few videos there, including a compensation general overview, okay? So yeah, it just comes with a spray cleaner. You know, just spray it on stuff. Okay, that's it. Let me see here what else we got. So these are some bigger bottles that you see here. Okay. Let's see here. By the way, this is my affiliate link. If you guys want to go and get this right away. 30-day money-back guarantee again. Currently, I believe it's just shipping to all 50 states. We're trying to expand into Canada and Mexico and Australia, so stay tuned for those that live in those countries. So go to tinyurl.com/tryhypo. That's T as in Tango, R Romeo, Y yellow, H as in hotel, Y yellow, P Peter, O Oscar. Okay, after the tinyurl.com tryhypo. So T Tango INYURL.com/TRYHYPO. You can also enter my discount code, which is HowToDieOfNothing, when you go to one of their sites, which is you can either visit tryhypo.com, should be working, or you can go to HOCLpro.com. Okay, that's H is in hypo, O is in Oscar, C is in Chloris, L is in Lima, and then pro.com. Once you go there, you pick the items that you guys want. They even have a kit where you can make your own to drive down the cost of it. Okay, and enter my code, which is HowToDieOfNothing when you check out. Okay, again, that's HowToDieOfNothing. We'll get you a discount. That's all lowercase and letters. He's right here. HowToDieOfNothing is my coupon code at checkout. Okay, just enter that and you'll get a discount. Also, again, like I said, the other alternative website to visit is tryhypo, I believe should be working. tryhypo.com. See if that works. Yep, tryhypo also works. Okay, so you can also visit this if it's easier to remember. tryhypo.com. Okay, and if you want to join my team to help our mission, which is to rid the world of toxic cleaning chemicals, you can use either tinyurl.com/rid the world of toxic chemicals. Okay, that's tinyurl.com/rid the world of toxic chemicals, or join the Safe Cleaning Network. Okay, again, that's tinyurl.com/join the Safe Cleaning Network. Okay, and if you have any questions, leave me a voicemail at my landline number, which is 786